First standard students, we will see math subject block 2 position. Our lesson name is position. Students, today we will be learning another new words. What are new words? On, under, above, below, top, bottom, in front of, between, inside and outside. We describe the position of things by using location words. Today we will describe where things are. आज हम बताएंगे कि चीज़ें कहाँ पर हैं. Where things are. How do we tell where things are? Words like on, under, above, below, top, bottom, in front of, between, inside and outside tell us where an object is. Let us see how to use these words using the picture as shown in figure 1. These words tell the location of one thing using the another thing. पोजीशन वर्ड्स हमें क्या करते हैं, एक वस्तु का इस्तेमाल करके हम दूसरी वस्तु की जगह को बता सकते हैं. नाउ वी विल सी दिस पिक्चर हेल्प ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस एंड यू अंडरस्टैंड वेरी गुड. द गर्ल इज सिटिंग ऑन द बेड. गर्ल कहाँ बैठी है? बेड के ऊपर यानी ऑन. द बॉल इज लाइंग अंडर द बेड. बॉल कहाँ है इस पिक्चर में? अंडर द बेड. द फैन इज अबाउ द बेड. फैन कहाँ है? बेड के ऊपर. द बेड इज बिलो द फैन. फैन के बिलो क्या है? बेड. द गर्ल इज इनसाइड द रूम. गर्ल कहाँ है? रूम के अंदर, इनसाइड. द मून इज आउटसाइड द रूम. आउटसाइड मीन्स बाहर. मून बाहर है. द बेड इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ द वॉल. वॉल के इन फ्रंट में क्या है? बेड. द चेयर इज बिटवीन द बेड एंड टेबल. चेयर कहाँ है? First standard students, we will see math subject part 2. How far away? We describe the position of things using distance words. Today we will learn to describe how near or far away a thing is. What do you mean by far or near? Many times we heard our parents as or teacher telling these words, right? So what you mean far is something which is placed at distance from us, away from us. We see that things from a long distance. That is called as far. And what is near? Something which is next to me, which we can see easily. Okay, that is called near. There are words that tell us how far a person, place, thing or an animal is. These words are near, far, nearer, further, nearest and furthest. Let us use them to describe the given picture. We use in this picture help of this line. Now we will see Aman is standing near the dog. Where is Aman? Near the dog. Kanu is standing far from the dog. Where is Kanu? Kanu is standing far from the dog. Means इनके दोनों के बीच में क्या है? Distance है. Aman is nearer to the dog than Kanu. Aman is nearer यानी अमन क्या है? पास में है. किससे? Kanu Singh. Kanu is further from the dog than Aman. कनु दूर किससे है? अमन और डॉग से क्या है, वो दूर है. The dog is nearest to the children and furthest from the bird. We see in this picture there are bird and clouds also. This dog nearest to the children, and these two children, and furthest from the bird means bird से क्या ये दूर है और चिल्ड्रन के पास है. Did you notice something else? The bird and clouds are up in the sky. Up means ऊपर. क्या है? Cloud and bird. The dog and children down on the ground. Clouds और birds के नीचे क्या है? Down क्या है? Dog, Aman and Kanu. Now we will see next page, maps. Maps. आज हम सीखे गए शब्दों का इस्तेमाल करके मैप पढ़ेंगे. Today we will read maps using the words we have learned. Which words we learned? Up, down, left, right, near, further, far, furthest, nearest. Help of these words. Students, do you know map? Map means नकाशा, जो की आपण घर किंवा सिटीमध्ये जाण्यासाठी यूज करतो. A map is drawing of all parts of Earth's surface. Its basic purpose is to show where things are. Maps may show visible feature of such rivers and lakes, forests, buildings and roads. So students, let's go see what is map. A map is picture that show us place, means जगह. We can draw maps of our room, our school, our city and our country. See this picture. Which picture is it? Map of colony. Now we will see this map with the help of these lines. This is the map of my colony. Amita's house is near the school. Where is Amita's house? This is Anita's house. Where is it? School's near. The Madhu house is far from the school. Where is Madhu's house? It is far from the school. Karthik's house is on the left. Where is Karthik? Karthik house is on the left of Anita's house. अनिता के लेफ्ट में किसका घर है? कार्तिक. Geeta's house is right of Madhu's house. Where is Geeta's house? It is Geeta's house and right of Madhu's house. मीन्स राइट साइड में किसका है घर है? गीता का. मधु के राइट साइड में गीता का घर है. Mona's house is front of the school. Where is Mona's house? This is Mona's house, front of school. And this is Rohan's house. Now आपने इससे क्या सीखा? आप डिस्टेंस वर्ड्स का इस्तेमाल करके कैसे बता सकते हैं कि मकान या घर कहाँ है. हम नियर, फार, लेफ्ट, राइट वर्ड्स का यूज़ करके बताते हैं कि एक घर से दूसरे घर कितना दूर है. Now we will see first question. Look at the figure 5 and fill in the blanks. First is dash house is between Karthik's house and the school. Where is Karthik? Karthik's house and the school. कार्तिक और स्कूल के बीच में किसका घर है? अनीता. So you have to write here Anita, Anita. Second, dash house is to the right of Geeta's house. गीता के राइट साइड में किसका हाउस है? मधु, MADHUS, मधुज. So you have to write here Madhu. C, dash house is furthest from the school. किसका हाउस पास में है? स्कूल के पास में किसका हाउस है? रोहन, ROHANS. So you have to write here Rohan. See, in this second question, you have to do one activity in your notebook with the help of question number 2, A, B, C. What is question? Draw trees in the picture in figure as given below. First, A, between Rohan's house and the school. आपको क्या करना है? हाउस रोहन का जो है और स्कूल उसके बीच में क्या करना है? एक ट्री ड्रॉ करना है. टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ मधुज हाउस, नियर टू मोनाज हाउस देन रोहन्स हाउस. ये एक्टिविटी आपको आपके नोटबुक में करनी है. ओके.